To install Flutter on your machine, go to Google and search download Flutter for Windows. After that you will get this option, Windows install Flutter, and this website flutter.dev. Click on it and you can see here, get Flutter SDK, Flutter Windows zip file. Download this, it's about 700 MB. Download it. After downloading Flutter zip file, open it, open the folder and extract it here. After extracting, you will get this folder. Copy it and go to C drive, create a folder here, src, and paste it here. The Flutter has been copied in src folder. Do not paste it in program files. Go to Flutter and bin, copy this path, go to this PC. We need to set environment variables, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. You can see path here, double click on it and you will see new, paste it here, click on OK. Type cmd Flutter dash version. You can see now Flutter version stable channel has been installed.